Secret and hidden tricks that cell phone manufacturers don't want you to know. Did you know there are hidden tricks on your phone that can fix expensive problems in just seconds? The last one will surprise you and make you wonder how you're only finding out about it now. So, let's get started. If you accidentally dropped your phone and cracked the screen, but it's still working, you need to take care of that crack quickly. Otherwise, it will spread and eventually burn out the display. But don't panic. All you need to do is apply a bit of clear nail polish over the damaged area. This way, the crack won't expand and your device will last much longer, while also protecting the screen in case the phone falls again. Second trick. If your phone is taking too long to charge or the battery is draining way too fast, it's very likely that the battery has already developed a problem. But there's a hidden code in every phone that allows you to reset the battery and fix this issue. It's very easy. Open your phone's dialer and type *0228#. A screen with several options will appear. Just look for Quick Reset, tap it, and the battery reset will be done. With this simple step, you'll reset your worn-out battery and most likely get it back to working properly and lasting much longer. Third trick. If your phone fell into water and won't turn on anymore, don't worry. Just grab a container filled with uncooked rice and leave the device completely covered for at least 24 hours. The rice grains can absorb the water trapped inside the phone and help remove all the moisture, making the phone work again. If your phone has sound problems like crackling or muffled audio, it's very likely that the speaker ducts are dirty. Cleaning them is simple. Take a paper clip and bend it the way I'm showing here. Next, wrap the clip with double-sided tape and twist it a few times. Now carefully insert it into the speaker holes and charging port. The tape will catch the dust and dirt stuck inside, helping your sound come out clean and clear again. Now for the last trick, the most surprising one that manufacturers want to keep hidden. If your screen is showing touch issues or the famous ghost touch, do this. Open your phone's dialer and type *0*. This will open the internal options menu. Look for the option called Touch, and then calibrate your screen by sliding your finger across the entire pattern. By doing this, all four corners of your screen will respond to touch again, eliminating ghost touches. Your entire display will go back to working perfectly. Did you like these tricks for your phone? Tell me which city you're watching from and give me a rating from 0 to 10. Bye, and see you in the next video.